Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A4 tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, stable surface, well away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and put the car in park. Before you do anything else, locate your spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench. These tools are essential for a smooth and safe tire change. Once your tools are ready, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while the car is still on the ground. Just a half turn should be enough. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Audi A4's frame. Now, slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Take your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs, then gently push it onto the hub. Once it's seated, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs as much as you can. With the spare tire in place and hand tighten, slowly lower your Audi A4 back to the ground. Once the car is fully down, use the lug wrench to tighten all the lug nuts completely, working in a star pattern for even pressure. It is crucial to check your spare tire's pressure at the earliest opportunity, as spares can lose air over time. Remember to place your flat tire and tools securely back in the boot. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book that can change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.